Alright YouTube, we're going to make a Steak-umm Velveeta Cheesesteak. So you need Italian bread, an onion, mushrooms, a pepper, Velveeta cheese sauce, and of course you're going to need the Steak-umm 6-pack. Let's get started. Alright YouTube, so start with your peppers, your onions, your olive oil, and all-purpose seasoning. Alright YouTube, we have the peppers and onions in there. Take all-purpose seasoning, put that in there, and then cook the peppers and the onions to the texture you want, the color, and the softness. Alright, YouTube, you can see that the onions and peppers are done. You see the steam. Now we go do the mushrooms. Alright, YouTube, we have the mushrooms in there. Take the Goya, put that in there, and then just cook this to the color and texture that you want. Alright YouTube, you can see that the mushrooms are done. Now you're going to take this and pour it into the bowl and make sure you get that oil in the bowl and mix it so that's a lot more flavor. Alright YouTube, you can see that the mushrooms are in there. Take a spoon, work everything together, and now you have your mixture for the cheesesteak. Now we just cook the cheesesteak and we're set. Alright YouTube, we have the Steak-umm. We have that in the pan. You just want to cook that up and then we're almost there. Alright, so cut the middle of that bread out. It makes it so much easier. If you wanted to toast this, you can. But you could use this really thick Italian bread, and look at the bite you're going to get. Alright, so put your steak in there. Your Steak-umm, and look at that. You can make a bunch of these and give them to kids as well. Alright YouTube, so you have the mushrooms, peppers, and onions on top of that. Look at that. You can't go wrong. Like I said, you could toast this if you wanted to, but I just wanted to leave it like this, and look at this big bite that you're going to get. Now you just add the cheese and it's that simple. Alright YouTube, there's the Velveeta, and that's what it looks like. So they come in little packages in this box. You want to microwave this for 30 seconds, and then you can add this to cheesesteaks, hamburgers, hot dogs, chilies, nachos. So the things are unlimited. Alright YouTube, so this is what the cheese looks like. So you just want to pour that on there. And look at that. You have a good Velveeta Steak-umm sandwich. Cannot go wrong with that. And there you have it, YouTube. Your Velveeta Steak-umm sandwich on Italian bread. And look at the bite you're going to get. So if you like Velveeta, other cheesesteak recipes, please subscribe, hit the like, and I'll bring you much more. Love you, Dan Soy.